Hi lovers of good things, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another great recipe. Thank you all for stopping by to today's video. This is another easy and delicious recipe: black eye beans and macaroni mixed together. Have you tried out this recipe? If you want to know how I prepare this, oh my goodness, this was so delicious. Stay tuned to this video and don't go anywhere, and let's dive into it. Of good things, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, my beautiful lovers of Ladyzion. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I mix my beans, black eye beans precisely, with macaroni. Yes, have you tried that? And I want to say a very big thank you to all my supporters, my return and old subscribers. I want to say a very big thank you for always tuning in to my video, for always coming back. May the Lord bless you all. And you that is joining us right now, and you that just joined us, I say a very big thank you to you. So without wasting more time, let me introduce all the ingredients. Yes, all the ingredients. Here we have our black eye beans, which have been parboiled and washed. You can watch my previous video how I make my beans. After parboiling it, I just wash it. So this is it. I also have my macaroni. This is just baby macaroni, but adult can also eat it. I don't want to use big macaroni like the big macaroni. I decided to use this because almost the size of the beans, and it's going to go well. And if you want to know how I learned this recipe, let me know at the comment section. I'm going to tell you who teach me this recipe. And I have my onions as well. I also have my crayfish. I have my Maggi cube and salt. I have my Scotch bonnet pepper. It has been blended, but not just totally blend. I just blend it little. I have my diced garlic. And this is my 1 tin tomatoes. I'm going to be using tin tomatoes and vegetable oil here. I also have my fresh crayfish. This recipe is a very easy recipe and so delicious and healthy. So guys, without taking much time, I will put my beans on the fire. So guys, our beans is almost ready. We are going to pour in the macaroni. It's almost done. So I'm going to wash out the macaroni and pour it inside. I'll pour in water to cook the macaroni. So I'll add a little salt. We'll cover it to cook. So guys, it is ready. We are going to continue with the stew. So we are going to take this aside.
So guys, can you see how easy this recipe is? And you can see the delicious look on the sauce. Oh my goodness, this was actually super delicious. If you want to know how this food tastes like, please go and give it a try. You will come back and tell me, Ladyzion, you were not lying. This was super delicious. I am not just saying this, but trust me on this. This was delicious. So guys, we have come to an end of this video. If you enjoyed watching, you love what you just watched, please remember to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. Share it to your friends and family. Thank you for staying tuned to this video. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.